Madam Speaker, in reply to PQ B438 on 22nd May 2018, I informed the House that on 21st December 2017, an expression of interest for the transportation of 1,500 Mauritian pilgrims to Saudi Arabia was sent to 16 local and international airline companies and general sales agents. As of the closing date of 12th January 2018, 2 offers were received, namely from Saudi Arabian Airline and Emirates Airline. The price quoted by Saudi Arabian Airline was 35,000 rupees, inclusive of all taxes in Saudi Arabia, while Emirates Airline quoted the price of 33,000, inclusive of fuel surcharge, but excluding all airport taxes. I am informed by the Islamic Cultural Center that from February to May 2018, there have been a series of negotiations between Honorable Shaukat Ali Sudan and the senior management of the Saudi Arabian Airline to bring down the price of the Hajj air ticket. In May 2018, the price of the Hajj air ticket was finalized at the rate of 30,600, inclusive of all taxes and charges.
Yes, thank you, Madam Speaker. Following representations that I have received, I've also inquired, and I have with me an email dated yesterday from a travel company. Can I ask the Honourable Minister to look into why is it that for 1,525 Hajis, they've had to pay 30,600 rupees, whereas normal travel agents in Mauritius, for much fewer passengers throughout the year, even the highest of peaks, which is the month of Ramadan, can provide tickets to the price of 25,700. And very strangely, my question is furthermore as follows: whether would it not be more judicious?
One question at a time, please.
Okay.
Yes.
Madam Speaker, I just stated that there was an expression of interest sent to 16 local and international airline companies and general sales agents, and we receive offers from only 2. I doubt whether whatever agents or companies did in fact express made their offer. But we know that the air tickets are not the same all throughout the year. But in fact, if there are possibility to having lesser fares, of course we are going to consider. But there should be some exercise carried out, and we just don't come and just throw in an email like this.
Yes, thank you. I'm going to table the email for the perusal of the Honourable Minister. It's from Saudi Airlines. The travel agency has been given the price of Saudi Airlines, and it is throughout the year. So can you please, Honourable Minister, inquire into how come there is such a big disparity between the 2 prices? We are talking about 5,000 rupees, and this is a lot of money when you take it into 1,524 Hajis.
Madam Speaker, I'll once again invite any international airline companies or any general sales agents, whenever we are launching expression of interest, to come forward. Everything is done in a transparent manner, and whenever we have got the best price, this is where we are going to deal with. There is nothing which is sinister about it. Everything is done in utmost transparency, and in fact we welcome other stakeholders to come and to give their offer.
Madam Speaker, the Minister, I understand, stated that there is no sinister matter, but we do understand that there is a ICC who is responsible under your ministry for the organization and discussion for Hajj. In which capacity Honorable Shaukat Ali Sudan interfere to negotiate for price concerning tickets?
Honorable Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, Madam Speaker, let me state that I have been confused with the Sheikh. Sorry, I'm just telling that we know how Honorable Sudan has always showed his interest in Hajj matters. And he has been giving a helping hand whenever he can give his support, any project. And I invite also any other member of the other side, or even any other person who can give the support, because this is not something, it has nothing to do with politics. It is a national issue, and whoever can come and give us support, we are here to welcome.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, can the Honourable Minister confirm that thanks to the intervention of Honourable Sudan... No, I'm asking the question. So, can the Honourable Minister confirm that thanks to the intervention of Honourable Shaukat Ali Sudan, that the prices for air ticket for Hajj pilgrimage has relatively gone down compared to what it was in 2014?
I confirm, Madam.
Next question.
Okay, next question, meaning B821.